Count the snails. Click each snail to keep track as you count. How many snails are there? Count the cars. Click each car to keep track as you count. How many cars are there? Count the teddy bears. Click each teddy bear to keep track as you count. How many teddy bears are there? Count the dolphins. Click each dolphin to keep track as. How many dolphins are there? Count the pigs. Click each pig to keep track as. Count the bananas. Click each. Count the balls. Click each ball to keep. Count the snowflakes. Click each snowflake to keep track as you. Count the lions. Click each lion to keep track as you count. How many lions are there? How many shapes are there? How many stars are there? How many hearts are there? How many shapes are there? How many shapes are there? How many triangles are there? How many rectangles are there? How many stars are there?